What's up, you guys? Back at it again with 1-800-SEND-IT. We're about to do a service on a Humvee, and it's me and my man Stroop today. What you got for the camera?
Huh?
What you got for the camera?
Nothing, it's gonna be quick and simple.
That is not correct.
It's hot. We got a nice camel net. We're gonna get it done. We're a good team.
Yup. Quick, fast, in a hurry. There's a problem right there. Barely even got any fluid in there.
Is it really?
Ain't shit drip out in the drip pan.
I told you this.
Take my car, cause it's never been beat, and it's never messed yet with the portals we meet.
Motherfucker, I'm done with that. I'm done fucking with that. Let's see this shit. Bro, it's fucking pissing me off because he don't want to fucking go. No, it's just the damn little part that you need the spanner wrench to tighten it. Shit don't want to fucking tighten up like it's supposed to. I'm gonna send it. I'm gonna fucking send it. The very last piece that goes on there, it doesn't feel like it's threading right, and I keep fucking. I even put the whole one on there. No, I'm fucking sending it all the way there. I should be on a whole second hub right about now. Stroop, do you want to switch? Fuck yeah. Alright, so what you just saw, me rage quitting on everything, was the threads were not lining up with the new nut that goes on the back. So the way I could tell that it was a manufacturer issue was that there was paint still left on there from where they knocked over the threads. If we knock over the two little spider legs, we don't paint it. It's not. We don't do that shit. So we know for sure it's a manufacturing issue. Right now, we got the other guys putting a file towards the threads to make sure the new nut goes on there as it's supposed to. But as for right now, we just got to keep on pushing and making it through the rest of this vehicle. And with this being a manufacturing issue, it might be possible that the other 3 hubs are the same exact way. If that's the case, we got a bigger job than what we were expecting. As the name of the channel, it's currently being sent right now. Y'all may not see it, but it's being sent. I was trying to send that bitch already, but I didn't want to fuck it up more.
Yeah, once I started seeing like little shakies come up out of the threads, I was like, nope, I'm taking this bitch off.
And there you have it, another day with 1-800-SEND-IT. I'm just currently here on my 24 and nothing's really happening. So y'all be looking at this video, I think farther than 24 hours passed when I uploaded the last video. But yeah, nothing too much going on. I figured out I'm gonna be on the day shift. So I'm starting my mornings at 3 o'clock in the morning. Yes, it is gonna be rough, but we're sticking through it. So I will catch y'all next time, and please like, share, please. Today, Junior. Fuck. All right, please like, share, and subscribe. Catch you later.